In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up free Cloudflare CDN to Hostinger. By the end, you'll have your domain connected to Cloudflare and properly linked back to your Hostinger hosting so your site can benefit from better performance and extra security. To start, make sure you're already logged in to your Hostinger account and that you have a domain added there. You should also have already created your Cloudflare account and added your domain to Cloudflare because that's where you'll get the new name servers you need. Once that's ready, head into your Hostinger control panel, often called H panel. First, go to the domain section in your H panel. This is where Hostinger lists all the domains associated with your account. If you have multiple domains, take a quick moment to double check that you're selecting the right one. Click on the domain that you want to connect to Cloudflare. You'll be taken to a page with settings and management options for that specific domain. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled DNS or name servers. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the current Hostinger interface, but it will be something along those lines. Click on that option to open your DNS and name server settings. This is the area where you control which name servers your domain uses, which in turn controls who is managing your DNS records. Once you're in the DNS or name servers section, look for the button or link that says Change Name Servers. This is your main control for switching your domain from using Hostinger's default name servers to the Cloudflare name servers you were given when you set up your domain in Cloudflare. Go ahead and click Change Name Servers to open the editing view. Next, you'll be asked how you want to change them. Choose the option that says Change Name Servers and look for the note that it's for manual entry. This tells Hostinger that you want to manually paste in specific name servers instead of using any automatic or default ones. When you select that, you should see fields where the current Hostinger name servers are displayed. Now replace those existing Hostinger name servers with the two name servers Cloudflare provided for your domain. It's important that you copy and paste them exactly as shown in your Cloudflare dashboard, with no extra spaces or missing characters. Cloudflare always gives you two name servers, and they are unique to your domain, so make sure you're using the ones assigned to this specific site, not a different project. After both Cloudflare name servers are entered and double-checked, click Save. This confirms the change on Hostinger's side and tells the domain to start using Cloudflare as its DNS provider. Keep in mind that name server changes don't switch over instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 or even 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide, though it often happens much sooner. During this time, you might see your site switch back and forth or behave slightly inconsistently while the internet updates its records, and that's normal. You can monitor the status inside your Cloudflare dashboard where it will show once the name server change has been detected. That's all you need to do inside Hostinger to connect your domain to Cloudflare. You've gone into the Domains tab, opened the DNS or name servers settings, changed them to the manual Cloudflare values, and saved your changes so the new configuration can take effect.